Construction sites can be very dangerous, and the injuries from construction site accidents can be very serious. What should you do if you are involved in a construction site accident? Hi, I'm Mutaki Akbar, partner with Akbar Thomas. As with most accidents, documentation is key. If possible, take pictures, obtain witness contact info, and seek medical attention. Do not simply rely on workers' compensation alone. There could be other parties liable as well, depending upon the circumstances. An attorney will assist you in ensuring you receive the compensation you deserve. The law firm of Akbar Thomas is proud to sponsor Legally Speaking on ABC 27.